My name is Aries. For a long time, other people's opinions affected me deeply. If someone believed in me, I felt confident. But if someone doubted me, my confidence disappeared quickly. One year, I decided to improve my English seriously. I started practicing every day. I read small paragraphs aloud. I learned new vocabulary. I tried speaking in English whenever possible. At first, I felt excited. But slowly, some people around me started making comments. One friend laughed and said, "You will never speak fluent English." Another person said, "You always start things, then quit." Their words hurt me deeply. For a few days, I stopped practicing regularly. Their doubts entered my mind. I started thinking, maybe they are right. Maybe I'm wasting my time. Maybe I cannot improve. One evening, I visited my grandfather. He was sitting quietly outside the house drinking tea. I sat beside him and told him everything. I told him how people doubted me. He listened carefully. Then he pointed toward a small tree growing near the wall. The tree looked young and thin. He asked, "Do you think this tree stopped growing because someone doubted it?" I smiled slightly and said, "No." He nodded and replied, "It keeps growing quietly." Then he looked at me and said, "People's doubts cannot stop your growth. Only your own doubt can do that." Those words stayed in my mind all night. The next morning, I made a decision. I would stop arguing with people. I would stop trying to prove myself through words. Instead, I would continue improving quietly. So I returned to my routine. Practice daily. Learn slowly. Stay consistent. Days passed. Weeks passed. Slowly, my English improved again. I became more confident while speaking. One day during class, I answered a difficult question in English confidently. The same people who once doubted me looked surprised. But something inside me had already changed. I no longer needed their approval. Because I had learned something important. People may doubt your journey because they cannot see your vision. But your job is not to convince everyone. Your job is to continue growing, quietly, patiently, consistently. Now, whenever someone doubts me, I stay calm. Because I know results speak louder than arguments. Final thought. Do not stop growing because others cannot see your potential. Stay focused on your journey. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep believing in yourself. And always remember, people may doubt you today, but your consistency will prove them wrong tomorrow.